Good morning, welcome to Johnson's Garden Time. Jeremy, on today's show, we're going to talk about a group of plants that are beautiful in the landscape, many of them perennials, most of them probably are, but also that are very, very important for our food supply, for our ecosystem as well.
So yeah, the month of June is National Pollinator Month, and so today we're talking about all things pollinator friendly in the landscape. And the great thing about attracting pollinators to the landscape is that what attracts them is the flowers.
Okay, and of course, we love seeing the butterflies in the landscape as well. It adds to that the ambience of our garden, but very, very important part of pollinating the plants for our landscape.
One of the great things about pollinator plants is they also there's a lot of crossover with our natives, because we've got the pollinators in the landscape. We've got native plants that kind of support that part of the population. So a lot of our native plants are going to handle, we're in a period of drought right now, going to handle low water use very, very well in our prairie landscapes.
And I think really what you've selected here probably all are perennial plants. Some of them actually, like the butterfly bush, is actually considered maybe a shrub as well.
That's right. From short plants up to tall shrubs, we've got a lot of different options. But might look at a few things. This is a kind of a plant called chartreuse on the loose. So I like this as a catmint. So it's going to attract a lot of, you're going to have some bees in the landscape, but a lot of other pollinators as well. But, just a bright, vibrant foliage that's been bred into this, but also going to have those beautiful flowers. Down front here, we've got a baptisia, which baptisias are a series of native plants, but there's been a lot of breeding done to increase the foliage or the flower colors and number of colors, and making them more floriferous in the landscape.
Of course, if you take a drive through the Flint Hills on the Turnpike, you see a lot of natives. In fact, they're blooming right now. And again, like I said, they're very, very drought tolerant, heat resistant, and are very, very important.
Show you, one thing. A lot of our tags are going to have on the front of them, whether they're pollinator friendly, where they're going to attract butterflies, other pollinators. Hummingbirds are a popular group of plants that really a lot of these are going to attract as well.
Okay, so as far as fertilization of these and maybe even insect control too, we want to be aware that we're not hurting those insects, but also our fertilization, we have organics and synthetic fertilizers that work very, very well.
I like a little bit of fertilizer at planting time. It's going to help these plants to get off to a great start, but then not overly fertilizing during the life of the plant, because they don't really need it, because they're more native type plants.
Okay, so if you have any questions, be sure and come by. Like I say, the tags have so much information, and this is a Pollinator Month, so come see us and help celebrate that. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you next time.